How to remove or turn off My AI from Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smala, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove or turn off My AI from your Snapchat. First step is to go and log into your Snapchat account. Make sure that you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, just log into your Snapchat account and then you can simply search for My AI. So now when I try to remove the My AI and try to see option, I can see many options like manage friendship, but it does not show me the option of remove my friend. You cannot remove it if you don't have subscription on your Snapchat. If you have subscribed to it, then when you long press on it, you can delete it from your chat feed. But that does not allow you for a normal Snapchat user. But what you can do is you can simply go to the My AI from your setting and then delete all the conversation that you had with your My AI, and that can help you a lot as well. So that's what you can do. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.